And we are indeed tracking the same stubborn storm system that impacted our weekend weather. As you can see on our live radar scan, we do have some widespread rain showers in areas mainly to the north of Grand Rapids this morning. Pavement wet on area roads because the rain was very widespread during the overnight period. But once again, this is not going to be an all-day rain for us, but we will stay under the influence of this system with that east-northeasterly wind prevailing, temperatures that'll be a little cooler than average, and for the most part, a persistent deck of cloud cover. As you can see, looking out of our downtown Holland tulip time festivities heading into the first full week. Of course, we are looking at those wet surfaces on area roadways, so that's something to consider as you hit the roads this morning, heading to work or school, whatever your travel plans may have. Temperatures this morning are relatively mild, upper 40s to low 50s, and once again, we will be looking at those occasional rain showers working through. Definitely keeping a lid on those temperatures. We made it only to the upper 50s for highs Saturday, low 60s yesterday. Temperatures several degrees cooler than our average highs, which are now starting to approach the upper 60s. So after a high of 72 on Thursday to kick off the month of March, we have had 3 days in a row with temperatures below average, and tomorrow will likely to be days number 4 and 5. So what are we tracking for you out there? Well, we are looking at the same stubborn storm system in control of our weather. That means our pattern is stuck. Just a few showers today. A little more rain will likely come through tonight into at least the first half of our Tuesday, and the dry, milder weather pattern does start to roll back in as we head through the day Wednesday. So Wednesday will feature a little more in the way of sunshine. So you can see the satellite radar composite, those rain showers working in from east to west because the center of circulation is well to our south, and it really hasn't budged a whole lot over the last 24 hours. We're on the air yesterday morning showing you this storm system, which was located in Ohio, Kentucky, right along that border, and it's actually started to shift back to the south and west just a little bit. Counterclockwise circulation around that low pressure center, which is continuing to feed in those periods and waves of rainfall. We'll see several dry hours today as well, so this isn't going to be a complete washout, but you'll definitely want to keep those umbrellas handy, as at times we will see some moderate to heavy rain come through, mainly tonight into early tomorrow morning. This is as of tomorrow late afternoon into the early evening. We'll start to see the moisture from that system move out, opening the door for the clouds to break apart and see at least a little more in the way of sunshine. And then mostly sunny skies will be with us for Wednesday. And in fact, we are really flipping the pattern after today and tomorrow toward more sunshine Wednesday with a high of 71 degrees by the middle of the week. Check this out. Sunshine for Thursday and Friday. Busy weekend of activities going on. Of course, at Tulip Time, we've got the big parade of bands going on Saturday. It's the Amway Riverbank Run in downtown Grand Rapids. We're looking at temperatures in the 40s for lows and then low to mid 70s for daytime highs. Sunday, of course, is Mother's Day. We're looking at least mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies to celebrate Mom with high temps in the low 70s. Lots of folks wondering about planting those tender annuals. As you can see, we've got lows only one day in the 30s, and that's the upper 30s. So I think you're pretty good shape to plant those tender annuals and get the spring season going.